Hello everyone, welcome back. Yes, welcome back with this additional not in today's newspaper of Monday, January the 31st, 2022. No, because in today's newspaper we have only one regular Sudoku and it's a medium Sudoku, no additional. So I've decided to continue with the Friday edition. Friday edition, January the 28th, 2022. We have three puzzles left: Letter Sudoku, two star Sudoku, and a tectonic. But first, we will solve this letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number. This will be number 4056. Before I start, I always count the printed letters. Not digits, those are letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed letters, not digits. And for 27 printed digits, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. But 27 printed letters, I need more time because, more time. Let's say 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve a letter Sudoku, because with digits you can count. You can see it's from 1 to 9, and the letters could be every time different. There are 26 letters, but 9 of them, these are 9 letters I can use. Okay, so we have a S, the H, the N, the E, the E, the N, the U, the O, the D, the R, the P, and the goal is to find this word in this column. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. How about? Let me see. How about? Interesting. Ooh, you. The U in this first row. U in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only two places left for the U should be here or there. There. We see here you know you there. You should be there. U in the third column. U in the second column. So the first column. The only place left for the U should be there. Alright. It's a windy day, yes. Windy day, stormy day, yes. How about these 4 missing letters in the first column? One of the missing letter is a D. We have a D in this big square, so no D in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the D. Should be there. This is a D. Wow. Yeah. I'm thinking. PP. It's One, two, three, four, 5 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the R and the U. We have a R and a U in this last column, so no R and a U in these 3 boxes. The R and the U goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, R and a U, R and a U. We have a U there, no U there. U should be here. And the R goes there. 3 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letter is an O. We have an O there in this big square, so no O in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the O in this column should be there. So now we have 2 missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the S and the P is missing. S and the P. We have a S there, no S there. S should be here. And the P goes there. And I've solved this word. In Dutch, it's a speurhond. Speurhond. In English, if you translate this, a dog. What kind of dog? A sniffer dog. Sniffer dog. Yes. Solve this in 5 minutes. Wow. That's very quick. All right. Let me continue with the puzzle. We have a P in this row, P in a row below. So last row, no need to place left for the P should be here or there. We see there P, no P there, P should be here. P in this column, P in the middle column. So the column next down, need to place left for the P should be here or there. We see there P, no P there, P should be there. P, okay, P. Alright, the N is also missing, okay. The yeah. And the N. Well, 3 missing letters in the first column. Those missing letters are the E is missing, the R is missing, and the N is missing. R, E, N. Well, we have a R and an E in this row, so no R and the E in this box. The R and E goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. R and E, R and E. We have an R there, no R there. R should be here. And the E goes there. Alright, so one letter left in the first column for the letter N. Okay. Alright. And yeah, I'm thinking. D. You. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a U. We have a U in the middle column, so no U in these 2 boxes here, and U in this row, so no U in those 2 boxes. So the U could be here, could be there. U in one of those 2 boxes in this row, U in a row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the U should be here or there. We see there U, no U there. U should be here. 3 missing letters, 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is R. We have an R in the last column, so no R in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the R should be there. In this row, in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the R should be there. R in the first column, R in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the R should be there. R in the third row, R in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the R should be here. Or there, we see there, no R there. R should be here. And all the R's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter R. Okay. How about two missing letters in the first row. Those missing letters are the E is missing and H is missing. E and H. We have a H in this big square, so no H there. H should be here. And E goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the letter O. O in the first column, O in the second column. So third column, no need to place left for the O should be here or there. We see there, no, there, O should be there. O in this row, O in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the O should be there. O in this row, O in the last row. So the row between, only two places left for the O should be here or there. We see there, no, O there, O should be there. O in this column, O in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the O should be there. And all the O's are used, I can see. Letter number 2, letter O. Then two missing letters in this row. For the letters U is missing and the N is missing. U and the N, U and the N. We have a U there, no U there. U should be here and the N goes there. Alright. Now we have a U there, so this box cannot be a U anymore. That box should be a U. Alright, do we have all the U's? No. Yeah, well, let me check. And all the U's are used. I can see. Letter number 3, letter U. One box left in this big square for the letter. P is missing. Yeah, the P is missing here. So we have a P in this row, P in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the P should be there. P in this column, P in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the P should be. Oh, we already have a P here. Let me check. And all the P's are used. I can see. Letter number 4, letter P. Alright. Two missing letters in the third row. Those missing letters are the D is missing and the N is missing. D and N, D and N. We have a D there, no D there. D should be here. And the N goes there. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters, H is missing and the D is missing. H and the D, we have a D there, no D there. D should be here. And the H goes there. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters, E is missing and the N is missing. E and N. Well, let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. How about those two missing letters in this big square? Those missing letters are the S is missing and the H is missing. S and the H, S and the H. We have a S there, no S there. S should be here. And the H goes there. Then two missing letters in this row. Those missing letters are the E is missing and the N is missing. E and N again. Here E and N. But we have a E there, no E there. E should be here and the N goes there. Now we have an E there. So this box can be E anymore. That box should be an E. And this box should be an N. One box left in this column for the letter. I believe the S. Yeah, the S. S is missing. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. H is missing and the D is missing. H and the D. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me wait. How about those two missing letters in this column? H is missing and the N is missing. H and the N. Again, cannot fill this yet. These two missing letters then in this big square. For the letters, E is missing and the D is missing. E and the D. E and the D. We have a D there, no D there. D should be here. And the E goes there. D in this row. D in the last row. So the row B3. No only place left for the D. Should be there. Now we have a D there. So this box can be D anymore. That box should be D. And this box should be an H. HD here. One box left in this column. For the letter, I believe the N is missing here. The N is missing here. N, yes. Now we have an N here. So this box can be N anymore. That box should be an N. And this box should be an H. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. H is missing and S is missing. H and S. We have a H there. No H there. H should be here. And the S goes there. H in this row, H in the last row. So the row B3, the only place left for the H should be there. Two missing letters, the final two letters in this big square for letters S and the E is missing. S and the E, S and the E. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here. And the S goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you. Need time between 15 and 20 minutes. 60 minutes, well, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other two puzzles: a tectonic with 1 star and a Sudoku with 2 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.